I am here for concluding session. Government, Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, had organized International E-Conference on Strategies and Challenges in Higher Education during COVID-19 lockdown period in India with reference to word. It was arranged during 15th to 17th May 2020. It's a idea. We had idea about arranging international conference, but due to various activity it was not possible. But lockdown period, COVID-19 lockdown period has given an opportunity for arranging such a grand international event. So I am very much eager to say about this. Today's chief guest, Honorable Professor Dr. Arun D. Sawant, sir, who is ex-Vice Chancellor of Rajasthan University and Pro-Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University, and he was also Joint Director of Mumbai region. He is a renowned professor, and he is a very active till today in Institute of Science, Mumbai. He is a chairman of the Golden Jubilee Fund of the Institute of Science Alumni Association, as well as our organizing committee member Professor Yavle, who is our organizing secretary, Dr. Yasmin Siddiqui, coordinator of this conference, and Madam Siddiqui and his family members. Mr. Siddiqui has taken various efforts for registration, so we could achieve. All our teachers and alumni association also very actively participated in campaigning of this international conference. So all these efforts of teachers, ex-students, coordinator of this conference, Dr. Siddiqui, and other committee members have taken lot of efforts. With the effort of this, our fellow colleagues are very enlightened, and the registration is about 11,000, and 11,000 responses are from 9 countries and whole India. One thing is there, from India, all the states as well as the union territories have registered their participation in this grand event. In some places or in some states or union territory, coronavirus is not reached, but we have reached for awareness program of this conference, this coronavirus. So I am thankful to all my fellow colleagues and organizing committee members. I am very much thankful to our chief patron, Honorable Saurav Vijay sir, who has continuously inspired us for work from home, and as well as he has acted as a catalyst, and continuously he was also posting various things, messages on our WhatsApp group. Our patrons, Honorable Vice Chancellor of this Sant Gadge Baba University, Honorable Professor Dr. Muralidhar Chandekar, our Director of Higher Education, Dr. Dhanraj Mane, who is Director of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. He was continuously in touch with us, and he guided lot about conducting this conference. As well as I am very much thankful to our speakers, Professor Elizabeth Golding, Professor Arun D. Sawant sir, Dr. Mirza Muhammad Beg, Dr. Irshad Ahmed, who is a bacteriologist and tuberculosis Research Center, Muscat, Oman, Rajesh Ragde, Head Department of Tourism Administration, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Our good friend Dr. Deepak Dhote, Principal of Brijlal Biyani Science College, Amravati. Dr. Makdum Faruqi, Principal of Dr. Rafiq Jakaria Women's College, Aurangabad, as well as our speaker Dr. Indumati Som Sundaram, Dr. Kamini Rege, Deepak Kumar Dubey, and our organizing committee members, organizing secretary Professor Yavle, Professor K.G. Patil, who is chairman of the publication committee. Our other members of the organizing committee, Dr. Deepak Taide, Dr. Satish Malode, and organizing coordinator Dr. Yasmin Siddiqui. Organizing committee members, Professor Keshav Tupe, who is also joint director of Amravati region, Amravati, Dr. Wadekar, Head Department of Chemistry, Dr. Purnima Divse, Head Music, Dr. Vasha Jhade, Associate Professor Shivananda Kumar, Dr. Shivananda Kumar, Dr. Sangeeta Dongre, Dr. Dhananjay Devlankar, Dr. Sunil Ingre, Dr. Santosh Chavan, Dr. Srikhande Rajesh, Dr. Jayant Chaudhary, Dr. Shakil Ahmad Khan, Muhammad Asif Abdul Basir, Dr. Rupali Kavishwar, Social Science Organizing Committee member Dr. Shailen Devlankar, Dr. Prashant Magar, Dr. Vinod Gaunde, and interdisciplinary members of this conference, Dr. Maske and Dr. Vishaka Savji. Science faculty members are Dr. Anjali Deshmukh, Dr. Sadhna Kolekar Madam, Dr. Mayura Mathankar, Dr. Zakir Khan, Professor Vijaya Sangawan, Dr. Sharad Kandalkar, Dr. Subodh Bhandarkar, Dr. Monish Bhokhar, Dr. Mahamone. Not but least, I am very much thankful to Aman Ali Rizvi, who has taken much efforts. He was working for more than 16 hours per day, and so he is our technical supporter for this conference. And I say here that it was not possible to conduct e-conference in such a way without Rizvi. And very important thing is that the participation is done by whole world. Without them, it was not possible to conduct this international grand conference. Actually, I am very much thankful to you all participants of the world, because I think such type of registration might have not made before this. So you will be part of history, world history, who have participated and registered on large number. It will be memorable throughout the world, and I am very much thankful to you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.